by moving the position. They are entitled to do so. On base, please. Unbelievable. Leon Spears. We're driving the vehicle lot like Leon. These guys, I want to tell you, this is skill, believe it or not. Are all in the middle of the order tonight as we get everything down to the track. The Classic spooled up. There's a path that says this is why this one finished. See it? And you look at that light, it's 50 where the lights on. There's not much of that white right up. The battle with him out there on the track. A class of 12 to run. Can't tell whether he's clearing his throat or trying to get it to light. It doesn't sound. See if that continues over there. This is Mike Palmer, the Red Avenger out of Greenville. Something around the turbocharger area. Let go. Hoffman. You know better than that. And you're going to get the light? No, you should have gotten out of it a little earlier on. Well, that was not what he planned for an event like this. 47, 334, 347 out there. They said it couldn't be done. Guess what? We've got two more yet to run. Two top ones. To get his screens on all the way down the track. He has it. And what he wants to do with it. Got a 317 sitting out on top there. Right now is the leading distance in our light pro stock, 330. Jeff Buechner laid that down. 7, start. That's too close to call. That's what.